clashes. What are some of your most memorable King Jammy super power clashes, boss?
Yo, I'm gonna tell you something though. The best clash I ever see where Jammy dominate. It was in 1987, I think it's 1985. When I played Black Scorpio, Eagles Nest Land, Walton Park Road. When this thing just make. I'm gonna tell you. Anyway, Jammy's playing, it's have enough soldiers and police going on. And the dance run with soldiers and police down in the night. And it's like, draw a tune for me, man. I'm getting a little forward. I'm saying, all right, this one is brand new. Just recorded. Listen to this now, crowd of people. And from here, boom, 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 boom. Me said the place upset, man.
Yeah.
We couldn't stop playing the rhythm tonight. Them lock off Scorpio, you know.
Lock off.
Completely lucky, man. We couldn't play again. That time you have people, soldiers them a salute and all them things, you know, man. I tell you, every time you hear salute, you have to forward.
You remember 2 more clashes that would never leave your mind?
Clash with me and Downbeat in America here.
Talk to me about it.
Well, Sabo carried me from Jamaica. So and Downbeat to go play. I remember, you know, I just met the tune name, Trying to Conquer Me. But then I'm just singing in a different form. So Downbeat that I play, man, I draw some Coxson's tune and go on and him draw now, my tune now. You're trying to conquer Downbeat and I says, all right, my time for playing. I'm close off with that now. My time for playing now. Yes, sir, Bobby. Time me and Bobby, I control the sound. Bobby. I could draw down and just member. Well, it's so boom. Member. Remember Papa Jammy's at the A1. So, hey, me say, man, we mash him up the night, man. Me say, Jawise, all of the DJ them, Papa San, everybody just walk from him sound, you know. And me start put it on, you know. And turn to her and John Wayne in that dance, that ninja suit, you know. I tell you, man, nail him up, man.
Give me one more that's in your mind, solidified.
Jammys and Jack Ruby again. A man to go be Walter Fletcher Beach. With Papa Brigadier Jared upon Jack Ruby. I mean, I've had Brad Bailey, Chaka Demus, John Wayne, Pompidou, Frankie Paul, and all them for my sound. I mean, I tell you, man. When I draw a tune from Jack Ruby, man, Jack Ruby start play We Are the World. We are the world, and let me tell you something. Brigadier just go open a quarter rum and go so. Well, I mean, I see upon a sinking ship, you know. I just cross over the Jammy
Yes, but though that's when...
And Jack Ruby was a virgin, you know.
Listen, you think Jack Ruby was an easy song? Remember, he was a producer and song, you know.
Yeah.
When it came from, when they were based in Ochi?
Yeah, Ochi.
Yeah, man, you see when Jack, cause he had some burning spear and them things.
Yeah, man, but Jammy's boy, Jammy's they love it. They know thing well going, you know what I mean? And
yeah.
With that class, big time.
Yeah.
Big time.
Because I know you were part of the original Sting. When Sting first started out?
Yeah, man. Yeah. And then one more class I can tell you to the 4-stone class. In a cinema too.
This is what I want to hear about, boss. Because this has so many different versions. I want to hear your version.
Well, let me tell you something now. But it is there, you know, it is there to show. I may have a show for them. It's there to show.
Yeah.
Well, let me tell you what happened. None of them sound they couldn't sound, never sound like me, no way.
Yeah.
The first sound I played in Jamaica with 418 in a one box, right? That time the speaker named Gauss just come out. I'm come at Manhattan, down at 80. It went named ST. Go buy some brand new and fly out and go down back and set up the thing and build them box, quad box, they call it. And I tell you, spread them out in the cinema too, you know. It's a big place, you know. I'm a crap with them from England, you know. Master them, you know. Please shake me, I tell them, man. And hear them tell me now, so me I pin them where. And my sound was more powerful. From I know Scorpio doing, I never hear him have a really, really good sounding sound. That's the only thing I never hear. He produce some good song, and I'm a good virgin, but them sound, they always lack of something. You know, I don't know what it was, but I never give me a chance to really check it out for him. But
well, you're even though you're brethren, you're still competition. So it's like, I don't really want you to tune the sound because you're going to have an edge over me. So it's just one of those things where...
True. I'm good for that.
You know what I mean?
Well, I mean, whosoever get that stump him sound, sorry.
Yeah.
Never really did the right way because, you know, it never sound like nowhere near me. You know? Black Star sound was a little hometown hi-fi. Sugar Miner sound again, you know, them try, but I mean, them have some artists. But the sound itself, them couldn't match with me, no way. When me turn on, man, I can hear the whole big thing, like a big monster just come in.
The superpower bass.
Superpower, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.